I feel like they don't care, to be honest with you.
9 months have gone by since Hurricane Beryl, but one Kindwood family has been stuck looking at a reminder of the storm every day since. A pile of debris sitting outside their front door. That family has been left waiting all these months later for their turn to get their Beryl debris cleaned up. So they reached out to 2 Helps You for help getting the mess hauled out of their location. KPRC-2's Gage Goulding showed up with answers and a solution.
This is still my debris from Beryl.
Sitting along the curb outside of Amy Gibson's Kindwood home, this pile of debris has been here so long, it calls this spot home.
You know, Beryl was last July.
Of course.
We're coming up on a year, and this is still sitting here.
Yeah. The city of Houston refuses to pick it up.
When you say they refuse to pick it up, what do you mean?
I have called many times, and they said, we'll send somebody out. And then I get an email saying that the case has been closed.
Amy has 3 different 311 case numbers active with the city, and those are the ones she started writing down after her cases would suddenly end up closed. But the debris still sat here.
So I have to recall, and they're like, we'll escalate it. They'll escalate it, it gets closed, and the most recent one, they told me I am out of their service area.
It's the same thing this solid waste rep told me. He rolled up conveniently a couple hours after I started asking questions.
That's not in our service area.
What does that mean?
We only service a certain area of Kindwood.
But wait a minute, a quick search shows the address is clearly in city limits. So what's the holdup? It could be that her landlord had to wait to put their debris out until after insurance finished up their work. The debris is really just pieces of their fence and chunks of the tree that destroyed said fence.
And when we had the freeze, some guys came over asking if they could take some wood for firewood.
It's not just ugly and annoying for Amy and her family. It's an eyesore for the entire community. Imagine driving past this every single day on your way home from work. Heck, you too might want this out of here.
Oh yeah, it's an eyesore for the entire street. I mean, you look up and down the street, you have these beautiful homes. You pass by mine, it's like, wow. They're trashy.
The city's 311 department has a total of 5 calls at Amy's house, but says they're just the messenger. It's Solid Waste who's ultimately responsible. A Solid Waste spokesperson never answering my questions or even saying if Amy is in their service area. However, the rep who came out to check in on the debris says he's hopeful to pick up the pile no matter what. In Kindwood, Gage Goulding, KPRC-2 News.
All right, not a problem you want to be